floods, fires, tornadoes, hurricanes, ransomware, server failures, and disgruntled employees. These are all potential disasters that can close your doors for good and without the proper planning in place. Hi, my name is Josh Wilmoth. I'm CEO of Central Texas Technology Solutions. And this is Kurt Rainier, Director of Technical Services. And on Wednesday, February 7th, we're going to hold a beer and backup disaster recovery event. We're going to show you how to keep your business up and running no matter what happens. We're going to share a few beers, and you're going to have the chance to smash a computer to pieces. Don't worry, because we're going to bring it back to life like nothing happened.
The event's going to take place on Wednesday, February 7th from 4 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. It's going to be right here in the CTTS offices in Georgetown. And just remember, when it comes to data backup and disaster recovery, being prepared for potential disasters is key to keep your business running. Space is extremely limited, so please sign up today with the above link, and we'll see you there.
Take care.